is an HVAC UV light installed? Since UV light kills germs, it's also dangerous to our cells as well. That's why it's installed deep inside your HVAC system, where the light can't contact your skin. The most common place to install a UV light is in your indoor evaporator unit, next to the unit's coils. The light will then run 24/7 to prevent bacteria and mold growth on the coils. Another location a technician can install a UV light is in the ductwork, close to the blower fan. These lights are then wired to the furnace, so they only turn on when the rest of the HVAC system is running. Pretty neat, right? By being placed by the blower fan, any air that passes through your central ductwork will be cleaned by the UV light.